Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started with this week's project, I just want to remind our community members and those of you who are joining us for the first time that our digital download store is open. Go ahead and check us out. We have amazing products that we've been working on so hard based on the things you told us you needed. So you can check out our DIY project planning planner as well as our DIY bride wedding planner. This is everything that you need to create the DIY event or wedding of your dreams. I'm so excited about it and I can't wait to see what you think about it. Those of you who've already purchased it, I'm going to be sending you out a review because your opinion matters. We want to make sure that we're giving you what you asked for. If you'd like to check it out, head on down to the description and click on the shop link, or you can head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and just click on the tab that says shop. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this week's project. So this week's project request comes from a community member, and her name is Sherry, and she writes, "Good evening, Miss Planet." Good evening, Sherry. I've been subscribed to your YouTube channel for about a month, and your DIY tutorials are amazing. Thanks, Sherry. I'm having a wedding next summer, and was wondering if you could feature a look I'm aiming to do. Okay. On one half of the tables, I would like tall floral centerpieces, and on the other half, I would like smaller floral centerpieces. To be budget conscious, the goal of the tall centerpieces isn't so much the size as it is the color scheme, so I can compromise a bit there. Okay. Speaking of color, the color schemes I want to incorporate are light purple, lilac, lavender, mauve, dusty pink, and ivory. Ooh, pretty colors. Love it, love it. The decor I have chosen is to go with silver with bling accents. Ooh, we love a little bling. All right, so let's see, could you demonstrate how you would do this tall arrangement and also a small one to fit a round fish candle bowl holder that I got from the Dollar Tree? Absolutely, Sherry. I am so excited to show you how you can create a tall, beautiful spring bling glam centerpiece as well as a smaller petite glam centerpiece. So excited to show it. Love the colors you picked. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's project, Spring Glam Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So this week I got inspired from some tea light candle holders I found at the Dollar Tree, and so I actually found this larger candle holder that has the same exact shape, and I chose to use it as the vase. I'm really excited to show you how. So first I just filled it with some vase filler, and next I'm going to attach the 8-inch foam ball to the top of it. I made an indentation on the rim of the vase, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my hot glue and then place that same indentation right on top just for extra support. We're going to be using longer wire stems to create the oval shape of this particular centerpiece. So my hydrangeas on the end, you can see the stems are much longer. They're more like between 4 and 6 inches long just to create that shape. Give yourself about 8 inches of wire stem to play with so that you can determine what shape speaks to you. So the key to this centerpiece is layer, layer, layer. Not only am I layering colors that complement each other, I'm also layering textures. A lot of these flowers have come from the Dollar Tree, and then others are a little bit more expensive to just add a different texture. So we're going to definitely be mixing and matching less expensive flowers with more expensive flowers. So this part is totally optional, but if you want to add a little bling to it, we're going to create that using some 22 gauge floral wire and some gem buckles that, don't worry, the links to the supplies are in the description below. So you're simply going to create a hook, bend it to where it's flat, and add your hot glue. Your buckle will slide right in. And guess what? If you are out of the country and cannot get a hold of these buckles, buttons work just as well. And then you're simply going to attach as many as you like. Well, guys, today is your lucky day. You're going to get 2 centerpieces for 1 video. So to create our base to attach our flowers to, we simply took this 3-inch foam disc that we got from the Dollar Tree, made an indentation from the rim of our fishbowl, and then used our foam cutter to cut it out. Next, fill it up with vase filler and insert your foam disc. It will fit perfectly. Next, add 4 to 6 hydrangea, 2 to 3 purple roses, anywhere between 4 and 6 pink roses, and then fill up any blank space with your white roses and lilac peonies. Add a touch of bling to this and your miniature centerpieces are complete. Well, Sherry, what do you think? It is absolutely breathtaking. I am so excited about how this beautiful Spring Glam Wedding Centerpiece turned out, and I hope that we met your vision for your very special day. If you like this video, please go ahead and like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. By all means, write us a comment, send us a question. That is what we're here for, to help you make your dreams come true. Also, if you would like to, you can follow us on our social media on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you'd like to spend a little bit more time with us, head on over to our Patreon channel where you can hang out with me in my home as I do projects for myself and my family members. In addition to that, if we can help you with the project, head on down to our description, click on the project request tab, put in your request, follow the simple steps, because we would love to help you make your dreams come true. Also in the description below, you will find all the links to the supplies, both US version and international version, as well as links to the project cost. We want you to have all the information at your fingertips. Also in our description, you will find a link to our wonderful new digital download store. It's there for you. We are creating new products as we speak. I'm so excited. Please be sure to fill out the review. We want to make sure that we're giving you what you need to be that DIY planner that we know you can be. You can do it, and we're going to help you get there. In addition to that, check out our Ebates link. Some of you have done it and you've written me comments and told me that, yes, I got to check. It's for real, guys. It's for real. If I'm telling you, it's because I've tried it and it works. So the Ebates link is free, Free. You just sign up, and whenever you want to shop online, you go onto your Ebates account, you find the vendor, you shop, and you will get a check. Yes, you will. So don't forget to check out that link in our description. It has been an absolute blast to hang out with you. I'm so excited about the new year, and Merry, Merry Christmas. And until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless.